Hi, my name's Sophia, I'm 13, and this is my Arduino Whac-a-Mole. This project is built using a SparkFun Redboard, and the Redboard is virtually identical to an Arduino Uno with a few minor differences. The Redboard has a slightly different retail price, and the two boards have differences with their USB connections. This game is based off of the arcade game Whac-a-Mole, and the goal of it is to hit the correct target that'll be indicated with a small LED. The game goes up to 20 points, and the player's score is displayed in the MATLAB command window while the game is running. To build this project, I used a SparkFun Redboard, like I mentioned earlier, a breadboard, 27 jumper wires, 9 330 ohm resistors, 4 10k ohm resistors, aluminum foil, and 4 RGB LEDs. I used those to show which target to try and hit. I didn't have enough pins on the Redboard to be able to use red, green, and blue, so I just grounded all of the wires that would control blue on the LEDs. All of the programming for this project was done in MATLAB. To connect the board, I type A equals Arduino, in parentheses, COM3, Uno. And the COM3 is the port that it's connected to. And since the SparkFun Redboard is so similar to Arduino Uno, I can just tell MATLAB that it's an Arduino Uno and it'll work fine. Once it's connected, I type the name of my program, which is Whac-a-Mole, and then it'll start. Let's take a look at the code. The code for the game is split into several sections. The first section is at the top, where all of the variables that are used in this program are first defined. The rest of the code is mostly in this while statement. Everything inside it repeats until the player has reached 20 points. The second section is where a piece of foil is selected to be the next target. Their LED will light up, and a variable that I'm using to keep track of this part, called which one, will be assigned a value corresponding to the lit LED. The third section is a series of if-else statements. First, the computer finds out which piece of foil you're aiming for. Then it checks if you're A, hitting it, B, not hitting anything, or C, hitting the wrong target. If you hit the correct one, you gain a point, and a new target is selected. If you aren't touching anything, nothing will happen, and if you are touching the wrong target, a function called mistake is called. Mistake will subtract a point from your score, flash the LEDs red to let the player know that they've hit the wrong target, and then it will choose a new piece of foil to aim for. Once you've reached 20 points, the while statement will stop repeating itself, and the last section of code will run. It displays text saying "you win" and flashes all of the LEDs green. This project was a lot of fun to build and to use afterwards. Thanks for watching!